If you're wanting to know how to switch Google Ads to expert mode, it's pretty straightforward. If you're in an account that you set up in the smart mode where everything's limited, you're not going to be able to see very much. And there's not a whole lot you can really do in here. Even the settings at the top are limited. Normally you'll have a whole bunch of stuff at the top here. But all you do is click settings right here. You'll know that you're in the smart account if it's allowing you to switch to expert mode right here. And then all you do is click switch to expert mode. It's going to say, are you sure you really want to do this? But it's not going to really change anything in your Google Ads account other than the user experience, like how you set things up. You're going to have a lot more features when you switch over to expert mode. So just beware. I don't believe you can switch back once you've switched to expert mode. But it's not really going to change your ads or anything like that. It's not going to impact the performance of your campaigns or change how your ads run or anything of that nature. It's just going to give you options that you don't have in the smart mode. So if you want to stay in smart mode, just click that. But if you want to switch over, then you just click this switch to expert mode button. That is going to switch everything over to expert mode like this, where you can see that now you have a sidebar over here, an additional sidebar over here. There's even more functionality. You can search, look at reports. Then under tools and settings, you'll notice that there's even more options here. You have like measurement. So this is going to allow you to more easily set up like call tracking. You can even connect your Google Ads account. So where's the linked accounts section? Bulk action, setup, link accounts. So if you need to link your Google Analytics 4 account or some other type of account to Google Ads, now you'll be able to see that all here. And even use the Google Ads keyword planner to research keywords, all that good stuff. You'll now have access to essentially everything that you can possibly have access to in your Google Ads account once you've switched over to expert mode. So I hope that was helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of how to switch to expert mode or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies and different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.